首先，准备内机拆卸 First, prepare the internal machine for disassembly. 打开空调内机盖板 Open the cover of the inner unit of the air conditioner. 拆开电器盒盖 Remove the electrical box cover. 拆卸显示板固定螺钉 Remove the display board fixing screws. 将过滤网移开，松开面罩卡扣，移开外罩 Move the filter out of the way. Loosen the mask clasp and move the outer cover. 拆卸蒸发器固定螺丝 Remove all of evaporator fixing screws. 将蒸发器向右边轻轻推动，打开 Push the evaporator gently to the right to open. 用螺丝刀将枫叶轴道轻轻撬开 Use a screwdriver to gently pry open the airfoil shaft. 将枫叶轴承固定螺丝逆时针转4圈 Turn the airfoil bearing fixing screw 4 turns counterclockwise. 最后将枫叶取出，进行清洗 Finally, the wind blade is removed and cleaned. 这是枫叶轴承固定螺丝 This is the airfoil bearing fixing screw.